All right, let's be honest. If you've got a pool, you already know it's not just a pool, it's a full-time job. Leaves, bugs, pollen, and mystery fuzz that floats around like it owns the place. But today, I'm showing you something that might just fire your pool guy. Meet the beast, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max. I've tested a whole bunch of pool cleaners over the years. Some do the floor, a few dare to climb the walls. A rare one tackles the waterline. You have it surface cleaning? That's where 99% of them throw in the towel. And that's what makes this bad boy different. The X1 Pro Max doesn't just clean, it conquers. Floor, wall, waterline, surface in one shot. No extra tools, no separate skimmers, no fuss. Just throw it in and it handles the rest like it's showing off. Now here's what floored me. 8,500 gallons per hour. That's not just suction, that's pool domination. It's got a 9-motor system, quad brushes, a wide mouth intake, and this ultra short path that pulls in dirt like a vacuum on caffeine. I tossed it into my pool after a storm, leaves, sand, pollen everywhere, and it cleaned like it was mad at the mess. And check this out, this is the fine filter basket after a single run. I didn't even know I had that much gunk hiding in my pool. The micro mesh filter even grabs algae and fine dust. Like a Brita filter, but for your backyard. This isn't just muscle tay, it's smart too. The moment it hits the water, it starts scanning the shape of your pool using ultrasonic mapping. It learns, it adapts using something Aiper calls FlexiPath 2.0, 6 different routes depending on your pool shape. No random zigzags, no missed spots. Just tight, efficient movement like it's been trained by a Navy SEAL. Right here, the surface cleaning is what sold me. Most bots ignore the top, not this one. It floats up, opens its intake flap, and slurps up debris like it's sipping a smoothie. I saw it suck in 100 puss leaves an hour without breaking a sweat. You know what that means? No more chasing leaves with a net like it's 1997. You know that weird yellow line that shows up right where the water kisses the wall? This thing scrubs it clean. Horizontally. That's right, it hangs 5 centimeters above the waterline, hovers there for 30 seconds, and scrubs. It doesn't dive and resurface like others, it just holds steady. And that dual jet stabilizing system? It sticks to the wall like Spider-Man. Now let's talk stamina. 10 hours. No cords, no tangles, you just drop it in, do its thing, and when it parks itself near the edge, you don't even need to plug it in to charge, just plop it on the wireless dock. That's it. I had 50% battery left after a full run per setted, and that's while it was flexing all 4 cleaning modes. Let's say you don't need a full clean every time to bathe. The app lets you pick. Floor only, wall only, surface only. Hero Mode Dre does it all. You can even set custom times for each section. Want 70 minutes on surface cleaning and 30 minutes on the waterline? Done. Want full power suction just on the floor? You got it. The level of control here is unmatched. All right, let's keep it real. It's heavy. Like, don't skip arm day heavy. Lifting it out of the pool can be a workout, especially if you're not exactly Hulk Hogan. Luckily, there's a cart you can buy, and trust me, it's worth it. Also, the app loses Wi-Fi once it's underwater, but Aiper sells a Hydrocom Pro buoy to fix that. Pricey? Yes. Necessary? Depends on how nerdy you are about remote pool control. Can we take a second to appreciate this design? Angular, aggressive, carbon fiber accents, LED indicators. It looks like a race car had a baby with a submarine. It's easily the coolest looking pool robot I've ever seen. Even the rear end looks like it belongs on a track. Look, this isn't a cheap toy. It's a serious machine for serious pool owners. But if you're tired of juggling a vacuum, a wall scrubber, a net, and a separate skimmer, the Aiper Scuba X1 Pro Max replaces all of them. It's strong, smart, slick looking, and yeah, it's expensive. But once you drop it in and watch it work, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. If you're ready to stop battling your pool and start enjoying it, I dropped a link below with all the details. Check it out before summer's over. And hey, Verek, don't forget to like, subscribe Technology X AI, and tell me in the comments, would you rather have one all-in-one cleaner or split the job between 2 cheaper bots? I want to know what team you're on. Cheers to clean water and no more backaches. See you in the next one.